안녕하세요. Hi, my name is Hyun Kweon. It's HK Jung. I'm CEO of Shiso DNU. So my company, Shiso DNU, so what my company want to be is not just a drone manufacturer, but the solution provider. Because I have been in this field for 30 years, and I met many customers, but every customer needs different requirement. If we make already some drones, they want it, but they don't want it as it is, because they want different requirement. They want different cameras, different platforms, different software functions, and so on. So I think the most important thing is to make it to meet their requirement. Yeah, that's what my company want to be so far. So nowadays you can see the many drone applications. Drones are the key technology for the first industrial revolutionary age area. So we can see the farming and surveying and many filmings and many other the applications using the drone technologies. Sorry, one more thing. I want to tell you just one more thing. Looking back about 15 years ago or 20 years ago, nowadays, everybody knows drone. Even kids fly drone. But, 20 years ago, exactly 15 years ago, maybe just a little people knows about the drone. Maybe here, maybe 15 years ago, most of you work for different field, I think. Nowadays, everybody use drones and knows drones. Why? Because the invention of the multicopter, this one. So nowadays most drone platforms are multicopters because it makes us revolutionary. It makes the drone explosively the increase. So. Maybe I asked the ChatGPT to get these numbers. So I don't know exact numbers, but most drone platforms are multicopters, maybe 85%, and which means they can fly only less than 1 hour. So many drones can fly less than 1 hour. But the drone I showed the three types of the drone platforms: fixed wing and multi-rotors, VTOL. They have pros and cons. So each has pros and cons, but multi-rotors, it is very easy to develop, easy to use, but its endurance is small. So for the commercial use, I think the VTOL is best for the commercial, the customers. So we have this kind of drone. It's a long endurance drone. So it has 4 hours the flight time, and we tested very harsh conditions. The temperature minus 20 degrees. And it can put several types of payload like EOIR cameras, methane detectors, or many other things. Even it is less than 2 kilograms. So the applications, we can use this one for scan missions or the monitoring missions and delivery missions as well. So I compare this, with the typical multi-copter and ours. So flight time, the biggest difference is flight time. So the flight time is maybe about 7 or 8 times. Due to we use the gasoline engine, so still the gasoline engine is more efficient than the battery, and the cruise speed is double that of the multicopters, and the flight range, more than 10 times flight range. So I will show you the videos. Yeah, thank you for your patience. So we tested since 2 years ago, maybe about 40 sorties, and we have several missions. This is delivery mission. So we deliver the small package, the medicine package, from mainland to the island, which is about 35 kilometers away. Technically, we can deliver this kind of package to the island, maybe more, is about 100 kilometers away. Because if it can fly 4 hours with 100 kilometers per hour speed, and the flight range is about 400 kilometers. So maximum about 150 kilometers. Yeah, and we can put the EOIR cameras to make the surveillance as well. And we tested it in Uzbekistan with the police. Yeah, I think this is Uzbekistan. So yeah, we tracked that car for about 20 minutes. Yeah. Here, the test range about the 30 kilometers, but we can go more, maybe about 50 kilometers we can go, but they have, the aerospace limitations. So we want to go, but they, block me. They don't let us go further. We also can do scan or mapping. So this is the video I want to show you. Yeah, thank you very much. And I want to just add one thing that, I have been in this drone the field. So before we use the UAV, and I have been many the project, the R&D project. So I developed a VTOL and multicopter, fixed wing, and helicopter, and airship, aerostat also. And I developed a small one, very small multicopters onto the maximum. The biggest one is about 200 kilograms helicopters, and the military fixed wing as well. So if you have any company who has that kind of the technology, I will wait for the proposal. Yeah. Thank you very much.